That's an embarrassment of talks. Like, this is the cluster name for this. Right, so this I'm presenting on behalf of Lauren Jennings, who is the Senior Medical Officer, now Research Site Lead, and on this study, SUSTAIN. And what we thought we'd look at is the early programmatic outcomes of our 512 people. We're very careful to say self-reported naive people, because we find out later whether they're actually naive, in the era of dolutegravir-based regimens. So we're looking at people who are over 16, who are ART-Naïve, who've initiated a dolutegravir-based regimen, and we've assessed early virological outcomes. That's a 4 to 6 month viral load, and we've taken it out to 8 months to include everybody's first viral load. We've looked at retention and adherence, and we're using routine clinic data. And bear in mind that these people are in a study where we're trying to support adherence using a counseling team and text messages, and we're trying to note poor adherence along the way as well. So we enrolled 512 participants. The median age is 28. 70% were female, which kind of reflects our South African epidemic. And if you have a look at the pie graph on the right, we can see that 66% of people were retained. 20% of people did not come back for an early viral load at all. And there were some people who had transferred out, and other people that at that time we couldn't confirm their transfer out. But only 66% of people actually arrived for their early viral load visit. And if you look at those early viral load outcomes, you can see that 22% of people had no viral load, 67% of people were virologically suppressed. That's not 95. Some people had low-level viremia, 5.7, and some others had a high viral load. And the outcomes, virological outcomes, were proportional to pharmacy refill adherence. The people who had 100% adherence, according to pharmacy refill, were far more likely to be virally suppressed than those who had pharmacy refill down in the 50% range. So early disengagement from care remains a problem in the dolutegravir era, and retention efforts are needed to prevent losses to care. And this is post to 50. Thanks.